Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here for today's video. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you how the eyeshadows from the new Anastasia Norvina Mini Volume 3 palette, I believe. Yeah, I think it's Volume 3, which by the way, it's already available on the Anastasia website and Sephora for $29, I believe. But I will start by showing you the swatches, and I wasn't surprised by the formula because I love each and every one of Anastasia's eyeshadow palettes. And the shades are so gorgeous. They're not shades that someone or like a lot of people wear like every day. They have very bright and pastel colors in here, which are so cute. But I wanted to share with you guys this look right here, which I kind of love. No, not kind of, I really love. Just the combination of the shades, and the eyeshadow actually matches perfect with my shirts. But anyways, before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family. I do upload videos in English and in Spanish every day except for Sundays, so turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up please if you like this look. And now let's get started. So first I'm going to apply the Anastasia primer, and I'm going to clean up the bottom of my eyebrows first using the Real Techniques detailer brush, and then I'm going to grab a little more and apply it on my eyelid. I'm going to apply it and blend it out with my finger. I just feel like this primer blends out a lot better using the finger. You want to use a primer like this, like a very light color, especially if you're gonna be applying like pastel tones or very, very colorful shades. That way the color can really stand out and look exactly how it does in the palette. The first eyeshadow I'm going to apply is the blue one, and I'm going to apply it with the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush, and I'm going to do it in tapping motions. And for this shade being light pastel shade, there's no need to keep applying more and more product for it to look even or to stand out. I only got the eyeshadow twice and it was enough, and you can see that it's blending out really nice. I love that it doesn't fade away at all, and I'm just gonna keep blending that out in circular motions until it's close to my eyebrow. Next eyeshadow I'm going to apply is this one right here using a smaller brush. This comes in the Rimmel eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to start by applying this on my crease. I just go back and forth. I apply it twice just to deepen up the shade, and once it's on my crease, I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid in tapping motions. And once it's there, I'm just going to make sure it looks even all over my crease in the outer corner. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. I apply it as close to the lash line as I can, and for that part I also applied 2 coats, and I just made sure to connect it on the outer corner with the eyeshadow on the top. And for this one, I didn't have much trouble to apply or blend it out. Oh, by the way, I'm going to use the same little brush to blend out the eyeshadow, but I'm just going to make sure I don't have a lot of the product on the brush before I blend out. And I do it very lightly right on the edge of the eyeshadow. The only thing with this one, you have to be careful because it is dark and it's very pigmented, so you don't want to mix the blue and this one a lot, because then it's gonna start turning into like a purpley shade. So I have to be very careful to just blend it out just so the eyeshadow can look nice without, you know, like mixing those two colors too much. But it's a beautiful color, and it's not that hard to blend out. It mixes with the blue eyeshadow really good, and it's buildable. So I'm just gonna keep blending it out until I like how it looks. Now I'm going to apply the same Anastasia primer to do the cut crease part, and this part I'm just going to go through it really quick because it's not really a tutorial. It's just to show you how the eyeshadows apply, so I'm just going to fast forward this apart. For the next eyeshadow, I'm going to grab it with my finger, and it's such a beautiful, beautiful shade. It's one of my favorite shades in this little palette. And you can see that there's no need to use a flat brush for this. There's no need to wet the brush or the eyeshadow in order for it to stand out or stick, because just as long as you have a concealer or a primer under the eyeshadow, it's going to apply so good and it looks so beautiful. And I'm just going to use a flat brush for the edges so I won't go over the line. But yeah, I absolutely love this color. So I already applied the eyelashes, mascara, and black eyeliner on my waterline. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the eyeshadow palette. From 1 to 10, what do you give this? Like the formula, the packaging, the look, like how they applied and everything. From 1 to 10, how did you like this palette? And if you would buy it. To me, it's such a gorgeous palette. The formula, you can see that it applied so good. But if you If you don't like to apply colorful or do like colorful looks, this palette is obviously not for you, but if you do, I do recommend it. I will put the link to this palette in the description box below in case you are interested. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and your family. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!